what you doing?
Look.
Oh, you gonna wash the dishes? Call someone on the phone, Caleb. Call Aunt Sarah. It's in your hand. Oh, there. You wanna call Nana? You hang up the phone? Call Nana. Oh, cheese. That's right. You say cheese for the camera. You wanna call Nana? Oh, say hi, Nana.
Wow.
Oh, turn on the water.
I see you and you see me. I live.
Turn on the water. Wash the dishes. Are you going to cook something in your pots and pans? Oh, stir it with a spoon. What's that you got? You got a spoon? Oh, stir your pots. Well, you better hang up your phone. That was pretty close.
What is this for? These Lucky brands?
That's Jake's present.
On the
On the coffee table, yes. Open up the oven, Caleb. Is there anything in the oven?
Alright, I'm ready if you are. Here's the camera.
Can you open it up? Pull. There you go. You got the microwave open. What about the oven? This is the oven right here. Can you open up the oven? Oh! That's hard to do, huh? We might have to secure it to the wall.